This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tint your Dodge Charger's back window. First, gather your essential tools, including a heat gun, a sharp utility knife, and a good squeegee. Next, thoroughly clean the entire back window surface, removing all dirt and debris. This crucial step ensures optimal adhesion and a flawless finish for your tint film. Once the window is clean, generously spray it with a slip solution, which allows you to easily position the film. Carefully lay the pre-cut tint film onto the wet window, ensuring it covers the entire glass. Begin squeegeeing from the center, pushing out all the water and air bubbles towards the edges for a smooth application. The back window of a Dodge Charger has a curve, so you'll need to use a heat gun to shrink the film, making it conform perfectly. Gently apply heat and use your squeegee to smooth out any fingers or wrinkles. After shrinking, carefully trim any excess film along the window's edge for a clean, professional look. Allow the tint to cure for at least 3 to 5 days. To maintain your new tint, avoid using ammonia-based cleaners, as they can damage the film over time. Instead, use a soft cloth and a mild, tint-safe cleaner for best results. Periodically inspect your tint for any signs of peeling or bubbles, addressing them promptly. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.